like a little hole, little orange. Holy shit!
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. If it looks like I'm tired, it's because I am. I spent my whole day practically editing videos for you guys, so thank me later. Thank you so much for clicking today's video, because today we're gonna be installing very real carbon fiber splitters on the back of my car. Very real. They're fake. So expect the utmost best quality in my products that I chose here from eBay for less than $20. Real carbon fiber, people. Yeah, hate me in the comments all you want, I don't give a fuck. So this is what we're talking about, okay, boys, and the 1.5% of girls that watch my channel. This is my wet carbon. It's clearly hydro, what's it called, hydro sheet, and they just put it like that. Anyways, also very real, not plastic. Okay, it's plastic. So that one's gonna go right there. I always wanted one. I found it looked really nice. This bulges out a bit too much that way. So basically, I'm just gonna have to sand this part down just a little wee bit. If it looks really shit after I do my sanding, it's okay because I have dry carbon wrap that I could just very easily wrap this with. And that should be it. It should be a fairly simple, little quick install I wanna do here. Shouldn't take too long. So I'm all set up here. I'm gonna take out my little Dremel really soon, and I'm just gonna start again, like I said, with the sanding process here. I'm also gonna take some 180 grit because that's literally what I have. I'm also gonna sand that down just so I can make that super flat. And before I start, anything that's in this video that I'm gonna be using as a tool, it's gonna be in the description box. Since I can't find anything on eBay because that listing already passed, it's been a while to be honest, I'm gonna find as close as possible other little side skirts or whatever that you could add to your car so you could replicate this whole process. Luckily for me, it did actually come with some pretty decent bolts, well, bolts, screws, whatever, and like a mix of like 3M tape, but yeah. Alright, so now with my freshly cut piece, let's see, I really need to cut a lot. Be right back. Okay, so trimming, sanding, and I actually cut through it. I pretty much expected that because this is that thin. Definitely gonna just stick to plain plastic next time. It'll probably cost less, and I'll be able to mold it however I'd like. Oh, maybe I could take heat right now and mold it right now. Okay, so this is where we are. I'm gonna make so many people mad. Oh my god, okay. It used to have like a bulge, okay, so it used to come towards the bumper more. If I flatten it out, this becomes more flat. I still have a little curvature up here, but generally it's pretty straight. Well, at least more than what it was, so that's a plus in my book. Alright, let me see. It's not perfect, but it also didn't cost me like $200. So that's a win. So I'm just gonna file all this stuff down so it's a bit smoother, so when I wrap it, I'm actually gonna sand the whole thing so that when I wrap it, it sticks to something. So I'll make this a little bit prettier, and yeah, I'll do the same thing on the other one. So far, everything is super smooth. It's as straight as I feel like making it, to be honest. It's under the car, and to a certain degree, you don't really see it all that much, but you see it a little bit. It's just enough to, you know, like a cherry on a cake type thing, you know. But yeah, this came out pretty good. I'm gonna do the same on the other one. How does this work for you? I think it's fine. Now if this doesn't scream quality work to you, I don't know what does. I told you it's real carbon fiber, it's even in the back. Yeah, at this point I'm also getting fed up of hearing myself say that. Yeah, so this is quite literally probably the most shit job I've ever done wrapping anything. One, because I'm out of time, I have shit to do. It's under the car, so I mean, I don't really see it. I'd be the only one that really sees it. Or someone who has a good set of eyeballs that likes cars. Ah, shit, this is gonna be bad.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so finishing this second one did not take a solid half hour or something. Anyways, they're both done.
The next day.
Alright, so thank you, SpongeBob. We're gonna get back to this today. Off camera, I went and I just went around the edges with some heat. And I tried my best. Alrighty. Yeah, there's some bolts that I'm going to reuse because it'll just make sense that way. And I'm going to use the toothpaste. I'm going to put it on the bolt to mark on my little pieces here exactly where the bolt is, so I could drill it out and I could reuse that factory mounting position.
You're using toothpaste?
Yeah.
You want a beer?
Oh, beer. Alright, so now that I can see exactly where more or less I gotta drill, I'm gonna drill it out, test it up, and then I'm gonna duplicate it on this side. Okay, well, that's one piece. Fitment. Well, let's just say no. No, fitment is not there. Okay, if this doesn't work, I'm drilling straight into my bumper. I don't give a fuck. Like, I think it gives a little something to the back end. I think it looks It looks alright, but it does look a bit cheap. Mind you, I did get this on eBay, so whatever. From the back, in person, you see it much more. If you get at a good enough angle, from under you can see that it's plastic. But yeah, it's another mod. Oh well.
Yeah, feel me. I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.